Here are some of the biggest myths of investing. 1, you have to be rich in order to start. This is totally wrong and you can start right now even though you're not rich. 2, you need to understand all these complex investing terms like PE ratios, market cap, and how to evaluate earnings reports. This is totally wrong since you can just invest your money into low-cost ETFs and index funds every week or every 2 weeks, because remember that the time in the market always beats timing the market. And ETFs and index funds are basically baskets of stocks that you can start to invest into. But yes, some of these complex investing terms can give you a better understanding of the company and stock that you're investing into. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure to follow me, but also check out that Discord link in my bio to learn more. And the third biggest myth when it comes to investing is that you have to be over 18 to start. This is totally false. I'm 17. I constantly invest in the stock market, and you can too if you're under 18 if you create something called a custodial account, which is just a brokerage account for minors. And if you don't know anything about investing, how to start, where to invest, be sure to follow me and also check out that Discord link in my bio. And you know what to do. Like, comment, follow, and share with your friends, and you're welcome.